Top 5 Common Adjectives. Part 2. Number 1. Likeable. Meaning of likeable: having qualities that make it easy to like the person. How to use it: maybe you know someone who is fun and has a great vibe. Whenever they go, they make friends quickly. These people are likable because it is easy to like them. Example: my father is so likable, the whole neighborhood love him for his fun and kind nature. Synonyms of likeable: amiable, charming. Antonyms of likeable: unpleasant, disagreeable. Number 2. Kind. Meaning of kind: having or showing a friendly, warm, and generous nature. How to use it: imagine that you make a video explaining something important, and someone leaves a comment says, "This video is great, appreciating your effort." That person is being kind. So be kind and leave a nice comment down below the video. Example: thank you so much for your warm and beautiful words, you are so kind. Synonyms of kind: gentle, friendly. Antonyms of kind: unkind, harsh. Number 3. Organized. Meaning of organized: being able to plan your activities or things efficiently. How to use it: look around your room. If everything looks neat and in its place, then your room is organized. If everything looks messy, then it is not organized. Example: my brother is well organized. He makes his bed every morning and keeps all his clothes folded in the wardrobe. Synonyms: neat, methodical. Antonyms: unorganized, messy. Number 4. Hardworking. Meaning of organized: taking their to work seriously and doing it with energy and commitment. How to use it: imagine a person who works and study at the same time with a lot of dedication, and they are good at both their work and studies. These people are a good example of hardworking people. Example: this man works in 2 jobs for 14 hours every day to provide for his family a good living. He is hardworking. Synonyms of hardworking: diligent, dedicated. Antonyms of hardworking: lazy, negligent. Number 5. Creative. Meaning of creative: having the ability to create new things or to think about new and exciting ideas. How to use it: look at your phone. You have downloaded many apps that have an original idea and service, so thinking about these new ideas is an example of being creative. Example: a lot of content creators are very creative. They keep thinking about great ideas to keep their followers engaged. Synonyms of creative: imaginative, innovative. Antonyms of creative: uncreative, uninventive. Write in the comments a sentence using your favorite adjective from the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I read all of them. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist for more vocabulary.